This smile that you've had to practice, जिंदगी में तुमने ज़्यादा smile नहीं किया होगा जितना तुम्हें अभी on call smile करना पड़ता है. Ayush, I think this is the biggest change in your life. Right? Now you have to smile for everyone, give a selfie to everyone, be nice to everyone. You can't be naughty, you can't be bad, ever. Now you're a hero. Is this the biggest change in your life?
Yes, it is, but I'm happy. I'm genuinely happy, so I'm smiling. I genuinely want to take selfies, so I'm taking selfies. It was a dream to become an actor. Now, finally, I'm getting some love. So I don't want to miss on to any love. I just want to get all of them.
Dude, you have a lot of love. Boys, very good looking. We've all discovered this in the last 2-3 months. And you know, I love the fact that, you know, इतने time से हम लोग इसकी बात कर रहे हैं. Finally, it's like here. Are there any butterflies at all? Are you going to perform in front of the media? They can take you to the pedestal or they can suddenly say, catch. Are you a little nervous at all?
पहले हाथ जोड़ लेते हैं. Please, sir. पहली film है. आपसे उम्मीद करते हैं 5 अक्टूबर को support कीजिए हमारा.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं मांगते वो आपको टैलेंट से वो जीतना पड़ेगा बाद में बात की बात है.
टैलेंट बात की बात है सर. वो पहले रिक्वेस्ट कर लेता हूँ.
Varina, what about you? Butterflies in your tummy at all?
Well, मैं बहुत नर्वस हूँ. ऐसा लग रहा है एग्जाम वाली फीलिंग. I'm waiting for the result 5th of October.
तो इतने टाइम से जो प्रिपरेशन चल रही थी, are you one of those students जो लास्ट मिनट पर मग अप करती थी? So you always feel unprepared. क्या तुम ऐसी लड़की हो?
नहीं हमारी बकायदा अच्छे से 6 महीने ट्रेनिंग हुई थी. हाँ तो very well prepared.
And she's very well prepared for today also. आज इनको बहुत काम करना है. Lots of work. Thank you so much. Do have a seat. I'm going to call you guys a lot during the day. Thank you. Killer. एक चीज मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ. For a rapper, is this like a fixed step always?
यार कोई और तो डांस नहीं कर रहा, मैं सबके हिस्से का डांस कर रहा था.
नहीं but वैसे
मतलब इतनी डेड पार्टी नहीं मैंने देखी. Come on guys, can you make some noise for Ayush and Varina?
Listen, we've still got a very big dessert that is coming on its way.
Oh yes.
So dessert जो आएगा ना तो उसके बाद से बहुत तालियां होंगी. पता ना dessert क्या है? नहीं really यार. अच्छा सलमान उसकी बाद में होगी. Thanks so much guys for staying on stage.
Thank you Salil, thank you.
But आप रुक जाओ सर, आप रुक जाओ. आप लोग जरा तशरीफ ले ले please. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया असीस. Thanks so much. Wait.
Thank you. Love you too guys.
एक कमेंट आया था आयुष के लिए. He's such a brilliant dancer. Are you such a good dancer or you rehearsed या फिर बचपन में ही ऐसे था यार? क्या सीन था?
Sir, I'm not a dancer.
अच्छा?
जी, I'm not at all a dancer. My wife is sitting over there. My beautiful wife laughs at me every time I dance.
She's on the phone right now. I think she's checking something.
She used to always make fun of me and still makes fun of me every time I start dancing. She says, she gives me those eyes.
But I've heard, Arpita, you're a little extra critical at times, is it? Only, yeah. So now that it's out there, it's time to build up the confidence of the young lad. Out of 1 to 10, तो dancing के लिए कितना दोगे इसको? 10 on 10. There you go, buddy. But I'll say it's some very critical people. आजकल ना Facebook is the most critical place. They say, bro, he's fantastic. And he looks like he belongs there. It doesn't look like he's, trying hard to dance. And a lot of people, like, when we met a few days back, you said, people were surprised. उनको लग नहीं रहा था कि यार मैं इतना अच्छा कर पाऊंगा. तो ये तुम्हें ज़्यादा surprise करेगा कि नहीं?
Yeah, I think every time the song unit comes out, especially Rangtari, everybody woke up and called and said, अरे तू नाचता है यार? So I
तेरे close दोस्तों को ही नहीं पता था तू नाचता है. इतने साल तक तूने किया नहीं.
I'm a big introvert. मैं पार्टी में जाता हूँ ऐसे साइड में से हेलो हाय. और मैंने बादशाह बाजी का एक स्टेप कॉपी किया हुआ था. कहीं भी नाचने को बोले तो ये.
So now that the film is out, सबसे ज़्यादा comments क्या है? Bro, तू बन गया हीरो. हमें 20 passes चाहिए, 100 passes चाहिए, 200 टिकटें चाहिए. कितना बोला है?
लोग ये बोलते नाच के दिखा.
नाच के दिखा. लेकिन नाचने से पहले ना कोई वो जो डिजर्ट की बात कर रहे थे, वो साइड पे आ गए. Have I got to go ahead? Is my dessert here? सलमान सर के लिए तालियां हो जाए. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. ये स्टेज सलमान खान. All right. सर बहुत सारी चीजें बोल रहा था आयुष इससे पहले. मुझे डांस नहीं आता, मैं थोड़ा सा इंट्रोवर्ट हूं. But you put your faith in Ayush, and it's now just 1 week away. Are you more nervous?
What to be nervous about? Every film has its own destiny. He has his own destiny. Varina there has her own destiny. And I'm sure that destiny is pretty okay.
आयुष ने बोला कि आपने 3 expressions दिए उसे. पहला एक्सप्रेशन ये था. दूसरा पूछा सर हाउ वाज इट? ये. बस ये 2 ही टाइप के एक्सप्रेशन आए.
So the expression that I gave 5 different kind of expressions. First one was this. Second one.
This is after
Third
watching
one.
the film.
Fourth and fifth. अब ये same expression romance में काम आता है. Same expression anger में काम आता है. Same expression emotion में काम आता है. एक ही expression हर जगह काम आता है.
So I think you already won, bro. This is exactly what
At
you're
least
saying.
मेरे काम तो आ रहा है.
This music has really taken this film to another level, sir. I know you sit very heavily on the music.
This music will take the film to another level when the film will go to another level. For that, you guys need to go to the theater and watch it.
We're gonna have Salman bhai come back on stage. Salman sir, लेकिन always कुछ special रहता है जब आप stage पर रहते हैं. आज कुछ special है जो आप सबके लिए present करने वाले हैं.
सोहेल बोला ये.
तुम्हें लगता है कि इसके बारे में 10,000 बात ऑलरेडी होनी चुकी है? ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है.
अगर ये सोहेल खान भी बोलता तब भी नहीं करता मैं.
Yeah, so my name is Akshay.
अच्छा एक सेकंड अभी थोड़े सवाल जवाब.
Okay.
हाँ go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
So my name is Akshay and the question is for Ayush. Sir, एक ही simple question है. I'm from Baroda. So the question for you is why Baroda in this movie? Why not any other city? And what do you think? आपको बड़ौदा में सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या लगी?
Hi Akshay. First of all, thank you so much for asking this question. बड़ौदा इसलिए क्योंकि बड़ौदा में मैंने सुना है सबसे बेहतरीन गरबा वहाँ होता है. तो अब अगर बेहतरीन गरबा बड़ौदा में होता है तो बड़ौदा डांसर और गरबा बॉय को बड़ौदा में होना पड़ेगा ना.
Look at the Barodians. They're
Yes,
extremely
Surat guy.
happy.
Barodians, yes.
Is anyone
Hello.
else over here is from Baroda? Guys, make some noise. Okay.
And second question was?
And what is that one thing or one place which you like the most in Baroda?
The people of Baroda.
Yep.
The people of Baroda were very nice. That's what I like about Baroda. They were very sweet, very nice. This is my first film. My first ever schedule was in Baroda. And believe you me, I had a lot of fun. उन्होंने बहुत ख्याल रखा. कई बार शूटिंग के बीच में खाना लेके आते थे. तो I had a lot of fun in Baroda. मुझे लगा मैं अपने घर आया हूँ.
वो सूरत में भी ये सेम मजा आएगा.
All right, who else?
अहमदाबाद में भी.
बड़ौदा में स्पेशल
अरे यार अक्षय और भी लोग हैं ना.
Okay,
और
okay.
पंजाब में भी
Thank
same
you so
मजा
much.
आएगा.
All the very best. Thanks.
हरियाणा में भी आएगा. हिमाचल में तो
Yeah,
आता ही है इनको.
the lady in the middle.
Yeah, so it's a very silly question, but did you learn Garba or it was in the flow? Because I'm a Gujarati and I don't know how to play Garba. So,
Ma'am,
That's a shame.
I just can't dance.
Even I know.
I can do that much, but not in the rhythm. Not in the rhythm.
Then go to Vaibhavi or ask Palguni Phatak to teach you.
or if not, you can watch the film. Our film has a lot of Garba. So watch Love Yatri, you learn something for sure.
So he's a Garba teacher in the film.
Okay, then I'll learn from you.
Yeah, in the movie.
Thank you.
But I heard Ayush you got hit also when the two of you all were dancing Garba and all also. By mistake भी लगी ना तुम्हें? जैसे ये जो शॉट भी था जो शुरुआत में ट्रेलर का था. तो एक्चुअल में कभी मारा है इसने तुम्हें ऐसे जो गरबा सीखती सीखती नक्कल्स पर तो लगती होगी यार.
बहुत ज़्यादा. ऐसे वो एक स्टेप होता है ना गरबा का ये. तो जो साइड में मुझे पड़ती थी इससे वो मैं ही जानता हूँ.
Strong
तो
boy, all right.
इसके ऊपर एक किस्सा याद आया. मैं और आमिर एक शो कर रहे थे. तो आमिर स्टेज पर न्यूयॉर्क में या कहीं पे अमेरिका के अंदर वो गरबा खेल रहे थे. And he used to throw his garba sticks into the audience. नौ टाके 12 टाके. बेचारी फैन वो पकड़ने गई, मिस हो गया और किसी हक के सर पे आके लग गया. That was the end of throwing dandiya sticks in the audience.
Hi Salman, Sohail here. सामने आपके.
हाँ सर.
Hi, congratulations to you all, entire team. नवरात्रि फेस्टिवल जो है आप कितना इस चीज़ को पसंद करते हैं एंड एनी मेमोरीज यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर व्हाट समथिंग वेरी यू लाइक अबाउट दिस फेस्टिवल
We celebrate all functions. Each and every function, we celebrate all of them because we need excuses to celebrate. So, birthday ho, Teachers Day ho, Friendship Day ho, Breakup Day ho, any day we celebrate. I think that's the way to keep the family together. So Holi, Christmas, New Year, Eid, Navratri, for us, we enjoy each and every festival. Diwali, everything.
एनी मेमोरीज यू वुड लाइक टू कोई नवरात्रि से
बहुत सारी memories हैं यार. बहुत सारी memories हैं. अब क्या शेयर करें आपसे इसमें.
लव यात्री इज अ जर्नी ऑफ लव क्या कहोगे इसके बारे में जर्नी ऑफ लव
देखो जर्नी लव इज अ जर्नी. लव इज अ जर्नी. किसी की बहुत लंबी चलती है, किसी की शॉर्ट चलती है. और जितना अनलकी इन लव होता है आई थिंक वो उतना ही लकी इन लव होता है. क्योंकि शॉर्ट जर्नी चलते जाए लव की, नथिंग बेटर.
Okay, before I pass on also, Ronita, this is amazing to be part of, this. You keep having these second and third wins aapki careers mein, it's fantastic. You keep all the medians alive also. And just to be with them also, to see new talent being shown. You did it many years back, Student of the Year ke dauran bhi. तो नए talent के साथ जो आप जुड़ जाते हो, on the set, what was the entire experience like?
The Student of the Year was another story.
So,
This is another story.
Ronito used to come and date here, huh? रोनिटो के सारे डेट्स यहाँ पर हुआ करते थे.
बहुत सालों पहले की
बहुत
बात.
साल. वो ये होटल नहीं हुआ करता था, एक पार्किंग लॉट हुआ करता था.
Sea Rock Hotel.
सी रॉक हुआ करता था और ये फोर्ट एरिया. मैं यहाँ पे साइकिल चलाया करता था. रोनिटो.
Okay, now he's letting the cat out of the bag. But coming to your question, it's not that I have not played father before. I've played father before, but this father has been an amazing ride. And it's from the word go. When I heard the story, I told him, I said, this is brilliant. And then I met, at the first reading in the office, I met both of them together. And there was no doubt in my mind that it was going to be a brilliant film. And talking about the ride, it's been amazing with both of them, to just get to know them as people and as actors. And that man standing there. I could not have had a better producer than him. So thank you once again, Samando.
Thank you.
It's been terrific ride.
All right. Do I see an arm raised anywhere? Yes. Go ahead.
Hello Salman sir, my name is also Salman Khan. I want to dance with on
भाई उसमें pause है, उसपे एक pause है. My name is also Salman Khan और उसके लिए तालियां. Very good यार. तुम्हारे माँ बाप क्या सलमान सर के सुपर फैंस थे?
Yes
Obviously.
Sir. Yes sir. Obviously.
Okay. Now go ahead. अभी तुम्हारी दिल्ली तमन्ना पूरी कर लो.
Sir, if you don't mind, I want to dance with you on your favorite step, like dabang dabang.
ये pause लंबा है.
और मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि कंसिडर करूँ क्योंकि नाम सलमान है.
Sir, please.
Because everyone is here.
Sir, actually आज मैं कॉलेज की बंक किया अपनी.
एक फैन से रिक्वेस्ट आ रहा है जिसने कॉलेज बंक किया.
सर शाम को कौन सा कॉलेज होता है यार बंक किया?
मॉर्निंग में बंक किया. मॉर्निंग में बंक किया.
सुबह से तैयारी कर रहा है डांस की. ओके.
सर आई एम स्टडीइंग डीवाई पाटिल.
अभी पॉज. वेट फॉर इट. अभी सर बताएंगे. 5
रुको.
4 3.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Sir, please.
क्या? आप ऊपर करो, मैं नीचे करता हूँ.
चलेगा sir.
ये लो. हो गया? मजा आया? Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir. Thank you, Baba. All right, next question. Yeah, this lady in the front here.
Hi, Ron. It's over here.
Hi.
If I'm not wrong, this is the first time you are collaborating with Salman Khan on a film. So how was the experience, although not as a co-star, but as a producer, how was the experience collaborating with?
I just told you I couldn't have got a better producer than him. The first time we are collaborating on a film, but we have collaborated a lot in our...
Like I told you,
yeah.
we've known each other since we were kids.
So I don't think, you know, that it suffices to say that much, that I couldn't have, in my career, I have not had a better producer than him.
And Ronit's work in this film is by far his best work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You will love his work in the film.
All right. Sohail Lukja. Anybody else? Yeah.
Yeah,
There's
this
a.
side, this side.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, right here.
Hello, Salman sir. Aishwarya, this side. Sir, this side.
G.
Sir, at least see this side.
Where?
This side.
This side.
This side.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Sir, मेरा question सबके साथ है कि
आप मिलो सलमान से.
नहीं सर, आप ज़्यादा अच्छे हो. आप ज़्यादा अच्छे हो. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि अभी तक सॉन्ग्स काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, ट्रेलर भी काफ़ी अच्छा है मूवी का, तो आप सबकी क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है मूवी से कि
देखो ये तो एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं हो सकती ना कि ये पिक्चर we wanted to be the biggest disaster ever.
But still.
So obviously we wanted to be like a really big hit, and that's what we would wish. But only that Friday will tell us whether this film is like a big hit and this couple is appreciating the film is appreciated, the director is appreciated. So it'll be really nice to get a positive reaction to all the hard work that these guys have put in, we have put in, the directors put in. It'd be really nice to hear that. But that's Salman.
Hi, Varina. On your left,
Yeah,
extreme left.
Yeah. Right there.
Yo.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
It's okay if you can't see me.
Yeah.
No, I can see you now.
Okay, just a second. I need to record as well.
I love this digital world, man.
Okay, my question is, Love Yatri, as we see, how has been your love journey till date?
Till date,
Aapki
what
love
is your
story?
love journey like? It's not a personal question. It's just.
it's a love yatri question, right?
Absolutely.
Like
I mean, you can answer both if you want. It doesn't matter. If you want to go into that zone also.
I'm just thinking of the framing that is happening there. हम long shot के अंदर और इनका सिर्फ lip movement दिखाई रहा. It's a hoto for her there.
Multitasking.
So basically, how's the journey been on Love Yatri?
Well, the journey has been
Not
incredible.
Love Yatri, before
There.
Love Yatri came into your life.
अरे तुमको बड़ा फिक्र है इसके love के बारे में. जितना हमको नहीं इतना आपको है.
Because it's about love.
You tell us about your love.
It's been a bumpy ride.
It's been a bumpy ride. Why?
You have better experience than me.
That I'm sure of. But what is wrong with your experiences?
It's all chill, cool, but it's okay types.
I'm loving this personal exchange that's going on.
Yeah.
I love it.
But don't give up.
Not at all.
You know, there must be somewhere, some person somewhere who will actually,
Head over heels and never leave.
yeah. Oh, they've been leaving you.
Teach you Garba. We'll come and teach you Garba.
They've been
So
leaving you.
now you'll get more views on this than the question. So I think this
I hope
works.
so.
So, done.
I'll put you now. She's ready for the answer.
Okay, cool.
You can deny what you want to deny and you can say exactly what you want to say. That's the best part. But they're all live right now, so say something.
Well, पिछले 6 साल से my career has been, my work has been my love. ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, तो yeah.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
बेचारी
Thank
कुंवारी हैं. अभी तक single हैं.
That's so sweet. Thank you, Arina.
You're not.
Thank Thank you, Varina, for the answer, I said.
You don't worry now. You will find somebody now.
Absolutely.
Okay, is there anybody this side? No, they're just looking this side. Okay. Anybody this side? Anybody left?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, go ahead.
My name is Siddhant, and my question is to Salman sir. So for this movie, you could have gone with any tried and tested music composer, but you went ahead with someone like Cheta Santanish. What? I'm here on your.
I can feel you.
So, what made you go ahead with Cheta Santanish for this for the movie?
The music. The music. So they have given us choices for each situation and outstanding tracks and about 5, 6 tracks. And then we've chosen the best out of that, and then they've bettered that, and they've bettered that, and they've bettered that. So they've given us a huge variety of songs, and we've chosen the best from those songs. And obviously the songs that we've chosen, you all have liked them. So, and you know that the music is doing really well. So our choice has been pretty much okay with the music that we have for all the songs. You know, किसी picture के अंदर 2 गाने hit हो जाते हैं, एक गाना hit हो जाता है. It is really amazing that all the songs have been appreciated.
But also, you know, tried and tested. Tanishq is really tested and rocking, bro. So Chetas might have just entered, but Tanishq has been rocking it for the last 2-3 years for sure. So big round of applause for Tanishq. I don't think that applies to him.
Yeah.
Now you need to be tried and tested.
Yeah. All right, we're going into the fans.
Hi, Salman sir. Hello, everyone. Sir, here. Sir, मेरी 2 wishes हैं बस.
बात तो नहीं
Dance
people
और
से
singing
उधर
नहीं होना
ही है
चाहिए.
क्या?
नहीं सर,
Fans.
बस एक ही आप मेरे लिए 2 लाइन गा दोगे प्लीज सॉन्ग की.
वही ना, डांस और सिंगिंग के अलावा और कुछ नहीं है क्या?
नहीं, एक सिंगिंग है बस 2 लाइन सर. सिर्फ 2 लाइन.
इनको देख के बोल लीजिए. मैं तो
सर प्लीज. सर 2 विशेस हैं, एक पूरी कर
तुम
दीजिए
क्या
दोनों में
मांग
से.
रही हो कि मैं एक्सपोज हो जाऊं?
नहीं सर, दोनों में से
मैं तो
एक.
खुल्ला बोलता हूँ कि मैं वैसे नहीं गा पाता, मैं सिर्फ स्टूडियो में गाता हूँ.
सर आप इतना अच्छा गाना गाते हैं, आपने
like
movies में
you.
भी गाया है. तो आप ये डिनाई नहीं कर सकते प्लीज सर.
मैंने लिखा था 100 दफा लफ्जों में फिर जो इश्क था. क्या पुराने गा. खुद से नाराज हूँ, यूं बेआवाज़ हूँ, मेरी खामोशियाँ.
सर आप हो हीरो हमारे.
ये सोचता फिर भी नहीं पता किस हक से कहूँ बता कि मैं हूँ हीरो.
सर लास्ट वन. सर लास्ट वन.
अच्छा ड्यूएट हो गया, आप दोनों का भी ड्यूएट हो गया.
मैडम एक तो पहले बोलती है कि गाओ और फिर डिस्ट्रैक्ट भी करती हो.
नो सर. सब बस एक छोटी सी विश और, मुझे आपके साथ एक सेल्फी चाहिए बस.
सेल्फी?
वहाँ से ले लो, ऐसा घूम जाओ.
Do we have any more questions, or should we just wrap up with a photo op?
Ayush, straight. This side, towards your right. Yeah.
Hello.
This is your first film. The response has been good, but what kind of advice has Salman given to you both, you and Varina both?
This is my question. This is my answer. Hey, wait. Salman sir said. So sorry. This question I've answered a couple of times, but Salman bhai said told us, your advice is your advice, none of anybody else's advice. और मैं अपनी एडवाइस शेयर नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि सब लोग एक्टर बन जाएंगे.
इसका कुछ करो. He always.
ये मेरी लाइन थी.
ये आपकी लाइन.
ये डेजी की लाइन थी जो हमने चिटका दी.
हाँ.
सलमान ठीक आपके सामने.
जी.
जैसे फिल्म का नाम बीच में बदला गया और हम सभी जानते हैं कि आप हमेशा ईमानदार जवाब.
आप बता सकते हैं कि क्यों बदला गया?
मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ, आप
पहले आप बताएं कि हमने नाम क्यों बदला, उसके बाद हम कहेंगे कि यस या नहीं.
बहुत सारी चीजें थी कि कहीं इस नाम को लेके बहुत सारी चीजें थी कि इस नाम को ले, इसके पहले लव रात्रि जो नाम था उसके नाम को लेके कई जगह पे आपत्ति दर्ज की गई थी.
तो जब हमने ये टाइटल सोचा था तो हमको ऐसा लगा था कि ये टाइटल बहुत ही प्यारा टाइटल है, बहुत ही अच्छा टाइटल है और इसमें कोई नेगेटिव कॉनोटेशन नहीं है। लेकिन अगर एक भी अब फिल्म बेस है गुजरात में गरबा पे ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिव टाइम ऑफ नवरात्रि एंड वन पर्सन ऑल्सो फील्स के इट्स एन ऑफेंसिव टाइटल, we'll change it. Love Ratri kya? We will change Love Yatri also. Eventually ऐसा हो जाएगा कि 5 अक्टूबर को एक पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है जिसमें वरीना एंड आयुष है. Go and see it. Theater close to you, theater far away from you. पिक्चर का टाइटल पता नहीं भाई.
All right, thank you so
But
much,
if
guys.
one person also is not liking it. We don't want to. If we're making love story, we're not making hate story. I think Bhushan makes hate stories, T-series.
Hello.
One second, we're going to wrap up now. Just do some because there's time constraint है ना यहाँ पे.
सलमान सर से last question.
चलिए एक last question. Yeah.
सलमान सर, जैसा कि आयुष जी से हमारा इंटरव्यू था, सब लोग ग्रुप इंटरव्यू चल रहा था जिसमें वो बता रहे थे आपने कभी सेट पे विजिट नहीं किया, कभी भी. तो ऐसा क्या रीजन था आप सेट पे कभी विजिट नहीं किए सर?
I'm the producer of the film. एक एक्टिंग में मेरे को भी थोड़ा काम करना पड़ता है. तो डेट्स की थोड़ी सी मारामारी थी, क्लैश था. तो जब ये अहमदाबाद में शूटिंग कर रहे थे, अहमदाबाद में कर रहे थे ना?
अहमदाबाद, बड़ौदा, लंदन.
अहमदाबाद, बड़ौदा में कर रहे थे. मैं अबू धाबी में था. So I couldn't visit the sets at that point in time.
Last question.
All right, no.
One.
अच्छा ठीक है. नहीं, one last question, then we wrap it and we just call everybody on stage. Yeah.
So I'm Roshan. I'm a Darshan Rawal fan and a Salman Khan fan. Huge fan of both. So I want to ask a question that Chogada was, I know that it has been a jam session to a song. Like Darshan has recorded that in an iPhone, the first part of Chogada, then the whole song was made. And it has gone huge and huge. So what has been the impact of Chogada in the movie Love Yatri? For the movie Love Yatri. Impact of Chogada.
ये दर्शन का कोई आदमी है? You planted him then? How does he know all these intricate details about you? You said an
Darshan
interview.
Rawal fan I am.
अच्छा, okay.
Who is Darshan Rawal fan?
Huh?
From Odisha.
अच्छा, you also from Orissa?
Rourkela.
अरे दो अलग
You
नहीं,
are.
1 second अलग चल रहा है. सर पूछ रहे आर यू फ्रॉम उड़ीसा, कहते हैं नो गुजरात. तू बोल रहा है रोडकेला. तो 1 सेकंड ये अलग कनेक्शन चल रहा है. बेसिकली इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट ट्रैक. सर हाउ वाज इट सच अ ब्रिलियंट ट्रैक? ब्रिलियंट, सुपर्ब, वाओ, जबरदस्त,
One line.
Superb.
One line. Darshan from
Okay, we're done. Thank you so much. Can I just have all the
Thank
singers
you,
on
thank
stage,
you.
please?